So alright guys, good morning. So andito kami sa Kamanga. Ayan, sa Kamanga. So ayun yung kasama ko. Yung kasama ko ngayon, isang foreigner, American. Bali mag ano kami, mag-island hopping kami. Tapos pag makadaan kami ng mga sandbar, mag kakasting-casting muna kami. Baka may mahuli man lang, may pang ulam kami. So subukan natin kung anong mahuhuli namin. So dito na siya. Tapos yung sundo namin, ayun na, malapit na. So tara. Whew! Alright, touchdown sa unang sandbar. Ito ay Minamhay Sandbar. Malapit lang sa proper ng Salcedo. So, yan. Oo. Tasky, unang huli. Look.
Let's go. First fish of the day. What kind of fish is this?
Tasky.
Right in the eye. Hell yeah.
Look. Going to
Good
bring.
enough to eat?
Huh?
Good enough to eat?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
We're going to bring this one.
Go.
But this time we're going to put it there. Just try to cast there.
On the rock?
Cast to this side, bro. There. Yeah.
About how fast do you reel in? About this fast?
Yeah, it's good like that. Even not too fast. Oh, I got a fish again. Oh, sus.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Or you can use mine.
No, let me try this one a little bit more. I don't want to give up yet. You got away?
Yeah, try to cast in the shallow.
Okay. What, that way?
Yeah. Same size in the lure.
Am I recording?
Yes, it's recording.
All right, first fish of the day. It's not the best, but hey, would look good in an aquarium. But hey, I'll take it. Fish.
You're going to put that in the aquarium?
Oh no, I'll just let it go. Unless you use it for bait or something.
We call that local name is Palang.
Bye, come on. All right, I'll take it though.
Look at the size of the fish that we got here. This is a cod. Grouper.
What is that?
It's a grouper.
Baby grouper?
Yeah,
Those are good to eat when they're bigger, right?
yeah, it's good eating, especially soup. It's really good. Yeah, there's a honeycomb grouper. Yeah, I got you in video. I will send it. Nah,
Can you eat that?
I'm going to eat this one.
Alright, first casting.
So guys, bali nilipat kami sa isang isla. Baka magluto muna kami ng huli namin. Ano namin, pipili tapos lutuin. Yun na. Punta kami sa Pinabasalan. Doon kami magluluto. Tapos pupunta kami sa isang sandbar sa katabi. Doon kami pipili. Tara. So alright, andito na tayo sa Binabasalan. So may nakasabay kami. Bali nagpapalipad muna siya ng drone para mayroon ng mga souvenirs. Kasi babalik na sila sa Amerika ngayong 24. So yan. So yan, oh. So yan, may nakita kami mga turtle trucks. Dinaanan ng pawikan yan. Dito sila dumaan. So, dyan dumaan. Dito yung mga hukay nila. Ito yung hukay. Yan. So andun pa yung isang hukay. So kagabi pa lang to nag ng mga turtle. So guys, ito yung nahuli namin doon sa isla, sa isang sandbar. Dito namin lulutuin.
Try one of these.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Let me try one of the small ones because it's hot. Do you have bones?
Yeah, I still have a bones because this side there's no bone here. This
Oh, no.
side.
It's good. Tastes like fish you would have in the United States.
It's fresh fish, cuts and cooked. Sarap dilahiyat pag Kasalan. Tapos ito na ang pangatlo, yung Baol. So yung pang-apat, yung sa ano tawag nun, may sandbar din kami na pupuntahan mamaya. So ayan. So tapos na kami mag-selfie sa isla. Lilipat naman kami sa isang sandbar. Doon yung sandbar. It's bumpy ride.
It's fun, man. This is wild.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Oh, man, this is great. Beautiful. Weather's so good. Everything's beautiful. We're catching fish. We're eating. Life is good, man.
Catch and cook.
Catching good. Best. Fresh.
Seems fishy. I got you on video.
Oh, yeah. You want to keep it or is it too small?
We can keep it.
It's just stuck in there.
Wait. We're going to put it there. We have a live bait tank. Ada. Turayag lewat. Oh, pailo ko din tao ba no? Pero para man ini hinalipot ang baras siya na. Din. Oo. Sumakto pa natin gasolina. Gasolina. Palanas, at pagbalik. Oo. Oh, kamanga. Oo. Oh, fresh on. Fresh on. Fresh on. Fresh on. Oh, it's good size. Kaduhan na yun, nahayawan usa. Hey bro! Anak cellphone? Ada tablo nga bag. So, alright. Ito yung huli namin. We're going to tuhog-tuhog this one. Yan, ito yung mga nahuli namin. Yung tinatawag sa amin na turayag, na marami ang na unhook. Nahirapan na tayo tuloy ito pa. Uy, asan na yung isa? Ito yung huli namin lahat. Ito na lang natira ng ano namin niluto. Ayos. May pang ulam na rin.